Yeah, also, guys, welcome to the second session of the day, guys. How's everybody doing? Just took some break, and we are back, guys. So, what I want you guys to do right now, after dropping our mantra in the group, I want to know those who are active on this session, guys. I want to know those who are joining us for this session. We have just an hour 30 minutes, and we are done for the week, guys. Let me know if you are joining us in this session. And also, guys, if you took this trade, how are you doing, bro? I hope you are a guy, because your username, please change your username to default username to your name so that I can recognize you. So during our previous session, all right, our 3 p.m. session, I told you guys something. Please, if you took this trade and you made money, right? I did not even take this trade, but I gave it to you guys, because I knew a lot of people still wanted to trade. So I told you that if you are going to do anything with gold, please sell. And if you must sell, make sure your stop loss. I'm just being sincere and honest with you guys. So I personally didn't take the trade, but I gave you a guideline on how to get into it. So I told you guys somewhere around this area. So if you took this trade, guys, and you made money, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if you took this trade. Before we proceed, guys, let me know in the comment section. Lookman, how are you doing? Okay, you took the trade. Oh yeah, now you guys should give us figures now. If you made profit, no need to tell. Mohammed, Babatunde, how you been, bro? Welcome. If you took this trade, this should be. No, I did not take this one, but I told you guys that if you want to take our B entry, I already explained the difference between an A plus and a B entry during our previous session. So please, if you did not get that explanation, try and watch the previous session again so that you get the explanation. And I told you guys that this particular trade is a B type of trade, or a B entry, a B trade. And I told you the reason that the A plus meets all the criteria. Meanwhile, the B entry does not meet all the criteria, but still points towards our direction. All right. And I told you guys that gold was going to come down, that from that area where gold was in our previous session, that gold, all right, it was going to come down. So if you want to take this trade, make sure that your stop loss was somewhere around this area. Yeah, you can deposit now. Just click the gold bag icon, guys, and you can deposit. Please make sure you're using the gold bag icon. If not, we're not going to gain access to VIP. So in the VIP, what you get there is that you get other signals that I get to take, trades I get to take outside this live session. For example, most of my morning London trades, even like today I didn't trade, but yesterday we took a trade in the morning, which was also profitable. And that one I shared it in the VIP. I didn't share because I was not live in the morning session. So that's one importance why you need to deposit. All right. So deposit any amount, $50, $100, $10, $5. Just go. Though I recommend doing 10, 20, 50, or if you can, though, because you are trading gold. That's number one. Although I do recommend a particular pair if you're not trading huge amounts of capital, right? Let me just pop it up right now in the comment section so that you can use it if you are trading. Guys, I want to know how your day went, especially those that are just joining us. Babatunde, I think you didn't join us in the first session. So how did your day go? Chelsea, what's up? Let me look for that instrument. So guys, if you took this trade, using my recommendation in a previous session, you made money, please just drop something. Let me know that you made money. Then we will play a little sound for you, all right? Because everybody that makes money using our signal, we play sound for them. If you miss the trade, if you waited for an A plus setup, which I also talked about, there is no need to get confused or get lost, all right? I believe Neka is in this Neka or Success. I think you guys joined the previous session. So if you're in this session, you don't need to get lost. Just wait for the next trade. If you don't see a trade right now, Monday is another day. There's always going to be something to trade. You don't need to. It's not a must you trade every day. It's not a must you trade every single day. All right. It's not a must you trade every day. So for those who don't know, I've actually given 5 trading ideas this week, and all of them went straight to TP. No losses so far. I got the run out. So if you've taken any of them and you've made money, please let me know, guys, in the comment section. If you've taken any of them since Monday till now, let me know in the comment section if you've taken any of my trade or my recommendation, or used any of my recommendation as your trade and you made money. Let me know in the comment section. Chelsea, okay, good. Femi Lola, how are you doing? I'll just call you Femi, I believe. So guys, I'm waiting for those who couldn't deposit during our afternoon session. How do you join my trading signal group? Yeah, it's very simple. Just let me just show you guys what to do. Let me show you guys what to do. Now, in your chat box, just hold on, guys. Let me just show you what to do. Guys, if you did not join our afternoon session and you're just joining our evening session, if you know our watchword, which is making trading simple, guys, drop it in the comment section. Bombard the chat, guys. If you've made money during any of our session using our signal this week, because this is the end of the week, we're taking like record those that made money, because I'm really sure nobody lost money taking my trades this week. Is not possible unless you did exactly the opposite of what I recommended. But if you followed my instruction, you should have made money. So for those who want to make deposits right now, this is what you should do. All right. Now on your chat box where you are typing right now, there is this icon over here, this one in the middle. All right, that's where you make your deposits. All right, click on it, deposit any amount, 100, 50, 10, 5, any amount. All right, any amount that you know you can. Don't go, if you do $1, $1, half dollar, it doesn't, you can't trade it. That's why many of beginners lose money. I already explained to you why you need at least 10 USD, 5 USD in your account, because if you take trade, doesn't mean that if you just sell, price is just going to start going your way. Sometimes it will pull back a little bit. Now, most people get wiped off their account just from that little pullback because they have like just $1 in their account. So you want to be depositing something like, if you can do 3, fine. But if you can do 10, 20, 50, 30, any amount above $3 is okay. All right, for you to get started. And you're not giving it to me, guys. It is 100% your money, your trading money. Neka, you're welcome. Neka, I hope you have been clarified. I hope you are not confused. You are not still confused. Let's see the charts. Look, man. Okay, good. During afternoon session, that's good. Tell me that how are you doing? See, David Kemp, how are you doing, bro? Yeah, making money, making trading simple. I almost said making money simple, and making money simple. It's still the same thing though, but let's just keep it as making trading simple. All right, or you can use MTS. That's the abbreviation. So David, if you want to join my Telegram, my VIP group, just make deposit right now using the icon you're seeing right now. Right, so click on it. Great. Nick, welcome back. Yeah, I'm good. I'm always here. Thank God you are now in the VIP, so you're always going to see me post stuff, right? And also you're in our group, so you can always chat me or you can always drop comments in that group. Right, there's a group in the app, the VIP. You can always drop comments then. Once I'm online, I'll get to reply you guys. Though on Saturdays and Sundays, I might not be able to reply, but Monday, Fridays, I'm active 247. Franca, so any other one again today? Yeah, we're going to take a look at the charts. All right, Franca, don't rush. The reason what I did in the afternoon session is that I had to explain the two kinds of trade signals that I give. All right, let's go back to the charts now. Please, I want at least 3 people to make deposits in this session. At least 3 people. If you already have the money in your trading account, David, well, I don't know. You won't be able to join the. You can just top up. You can just top up with $3, because what that does. Let me explain how it works. Right? If you make deposit during my live session, the system. I'm explaining to you, David. Now the system will automatically link you to my VIP group. Then that is where I will now send you the link to the Telegram channel. But without making deposits in my live session, I won't be able to do that, right? So you can just do $3 since you already have money. You can just do $3 to top it up. Then the system will pick you and add you to the VIP group. Now you guys decide to withdraw later. It's still your money. You are not giving it to me. I'm not giving it to me. So I think that's what you should. That's what you can do if you can. Okay, so I think that has been. Okay, so let's go back to the charts now. I'm going to remove this. So I believe everybody know how to deposit now, to make deposits or top up now. 5 trades, guys. 5 trade ideas shared this week. No losses, guys. I personally have taken 7 trades this week. No losses. They were all analyzed right in front of you, so it was not like there's what we call hindsight in trading. So it was not a hindsight. So gold is basically the main pair that I trade, for those who are wondering. And if you wake me up around 1 a.m. right, any time of the day, and ask me what is the price of gold, I will tell you what the price is and where do I think gold is going to go, even if without looking at the charts, using what is in my head. All right, before I went to sleep, I will tell you where gold could go. So that's how, like I normally say, me and gold. This is good. This is me. All right. We are like this. Franca says, okay. I think I've taken that. So, guys, can you see my charts clearly now? For those who are wondering, this is the trade I talked about in the previous session. So this is the second session. And for those who don't know, I normally have 2 sessions every single day. And I know, and again, yeah, somebody said this yesterday, I think Hannah. So, and again, if you go to my profile, follow my profile like now, right? Follow my profile. You also claim free strategy from me. You see the claim button there, click on it. Now, follow my profile. Each time I'm going to have a live session, right? You're going to see the notification there. So you can click on that reminder. Then each time I'm going to have that, I'm going to come on live, 5 minutes or 10 minutes before I go live, it will notify you. Also, when I go live, you'll be notified that I'm live, I'm streaming. So you also something you have to do, because some people join the live very late and they get to take trades very late and get updates very late. It's not that cool, right? So I want to still know other people that took this trade or that took any trade that I shared this week that made money. Please let me know. So I'm sure nobody lost money. It's not possible from my trade this week. Accumulatively, nobody lost money. God is still falling. So this is when I actually stream. First session is 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. So that's my first session. Mondays to Fridays, I don't spend the small money that I made from trading and hang around and hang out with friends and family. Sundays, I worship my God. Obviously, you can tell I'm a Christian. I don't discriminate anyways. Muslim, Christian, everybody is welcome, right? Then second session is 5:30 p.m., which is the one we are streaming right now. I'm hosting right now. 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. So, and it is Monday. Bombard the chat with some comments and some updates on how your week went. If you made money using any of my signals, let me know. I will play some trumpets for you guys. All right. So Fridays through to what am I even saying? Monday to Friday, I'm saying. So this is when I come live. This is when I stream. So this is when I stream, at least for now. So whenever you come to the app, 3 p.m. I would be live, and I'll stream till 4:30 p.m. The second one is 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m., which is the one we're streaming right now. So we'll have like an hour, 14 minutes to go in this session. Let's see your charts. It says you are Amos. Yeah, I'm Amos. That's my name. That's my real name. That's not my nickname. That's my real name. Everywhere you go, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you find me, that's what you're going to do. I will not give you a lot of details because I'm not permitted to, but that's my name, right? Because I'm not here to market my own community. I'm here to help you guys, lecture you guys, help you make money on this app, all right, on BTCDana for absolutely free, because a lot of people actually pay hundreds of dollars to learn this thing. I'm not going to lie you. So, but I'm here to show you guys. The only thing you have to do for me is just make deposits while on this live. I've not seen any deposits yet, guys, on this particular live. Even if you already have money, but you're not in the VIP and you want to join, just top up at least $3. It will activate your account and move you to a VIP group. So, in summary, $3 can get you into the VIP group. But remember, $3, if you want to trade, you have to know that it's simply that trading with the $3. If you're not giving it to me, it's going to be yours. So you have to deposit them an amount that you want to start trading with. So with $10, $20, $15 that you can start trading with, fine, you can do that as well. It is still your money. Yes, you can deposit now. Yes, making trading simple, guys. Making trading simple. Chelsea, it's like Chelsea printed some cash. This one you are dropping cash emojis. It's like you made money. Abdul Yusuf, how are you doing, bro? Chelsea is actually one of my earliest viewers on this stream. So that's why you guys keep saying Chelsea. So if you want me to be mentioning your own name like that, like I do with Chelsea, Abdul, David, Franca, Nick, and the rest of them, change your default username to your actual name that I can pronounce. I recognize everybody by name. All right. Franco, sir, any other? Okay, I think I've read that. Okay, Abdul says, hello, good evening. I missed afternoon session. I'm having a talk. I'm so sorry for that. So sorry. Okay, Franca, you've not made any because you've not taken any now. So just wait. If you don't get any trade today, you don't get any other trades today, then it's going to be Monday. I don't force trades. I'm not here to gamble with you guys. All right. I'm not here to set up random indicators and tell you when you see this buy. No. That's not what I'm doing. I trade professionally. And it's not just me saying that, you guys have noticed it. So I wait for specific things on the charts at specific time of the day once it happens. For example, now there's something I'm waiting for by 6 p.m. You guys always hear me say that. So by 6 p.m. I'm waiting for a particular thing. If I see that on the chart, well, we might take a trade. But if I don't see it, it's going to be till Monday. So I'm a professional trader. I don't just come and pick random trades, all right? And I also give you guys, just like I did, I tell you guys the two kinds of trades. One of them A plus, the other one B setup. So the A plus is the one you can risk more because it meets a lot of criteria before I take the trade. Then the B setup does not meet all the criteria, but it's still valid, but you have to risk small or smaller or lesser. So that's how you know when somebody trades professionally. But a non-professional trader will just tell you buy, sell, buy, sell. You just keep that as a buy, sell, so your accounts they go down. So Mohammed, gold trade. We're already taking gold trade already. Abdul Yusuf. Abdul Yusuf, the para. Is bombing the chat. This is what I want, guys. Bomb the chat. Making trading simple. Let's go. Chelsea, you are doing well. Tell me, Lola, how will I move to VIP? Very simple. Make deposit right now. Right now, as we are on this live, there's an icon, a bag icon. Just put any small thing. Okay, just to say yes, but much money, just more, not much. No problem now. More any amount. The economy you are in right now in Nigeria, $3 is a huge amount of money. $1 is a huge amount of money. With $2, you can get a very good lunch. Fair hold your body, then continue the day. So no amount is too small. Congrats for that, anyways. But I believe next week will be better. Yes. You love my teaching. Yes, I also love students who are attentive and who follow instructions accordingly. So thank you for that. So guys, as you guys know, we are just waiting for setup. That's why we are here chatting. There's nothing much to do right now. My BTC guys, if you are a BTC guy, let me know. Let me go to your pair and see what's happening. Let me know. Okay, guys, BTC has fallen to. Oh my God! It's not luck, guys. It's just experience. So I told you guys something in the afternoon that BTC was going to come to exactly this point, and this is where if I want to trade BTC, you lost $14 today. From which trade now? It cannot be my trade though. Where did you lose $14? Cannot be under my trade. Where did you lose your $14? So sorry, anyways, to hear that. Alright, I'm seeing one of my VIP members now. Ara, I believe that's the right pronunciation. How are you doing? I just want to say good evening. I'm new. Yeah, welcome. So I told you guys something for a previous session that BTC was going to fall down an hour ago. An hour ago. That BTC was going to fall to this point that if I'm going to take a trade, that was why I always tell you guys, wait for entries. So you can see that BTC is now reacting to this level. This exact level that I marked out. Now, the one I gave you guys yesterday, we did not lose our trade. Our coach, Neka. So you see, my team is already defending our. God bless you guys. So my team is defending our trade, that we don't lose money anyhow on this particular on our session. This is our live session, right? It's not my live session. This is our live. We don't lose money anyhow because we are very careful with our trade and we wait patiently. So Neka, thank you very much for defending us, right? For defending us. Just Jason Biggie. This your name sounds like I don't want to say it. Jason Biggie. I earned $12. Woo, that's nice. Let me give you guys this. Let me give you a sound. I made a promise to you guys that anybody that made money is going to receive either a drum roll, right? You're going to receive a drum roll. You're going to receive a drum roll, or you're going to get an applause. Nice. That means people are making money in our session. That's good. So, okay, like I was saying, BTC, right? So I told you guys BTC was going to retrace exactly to this point. This is where I would wait for a buy. Now, what would I want to see before I take a buy on BTC? I will go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Please, this is not a signal. I don't usually trade BTC, but I can analyze BTC for you. So I want to see create a high, come down, create another high, or I just want to see price give. I want to see price give. I want to see price just do something just like this, right? Either of those two before I'll buy BTC. So if you're a BTC trader, you want to look out for what is going to happen here, between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. today. All right. But like I said, that's not a signal. That's just me. There's another thing that I told you guys about BTC yesterday, which actually happened. Is you want to join our VI, very, very easy now. Just make deposits. Please just make them. You don't need any what's it called? You don't need any special. You don't have to do any other special. Just make deposits. Right? Ezekiel, if you can hear me, if you know how to deposit, right on this live, or not go back to the app deposit button. On this live, click on that gold where you are chatting. By your right side, there's a gold box, gold bag. Those three icons, the middle one. At the extreme end, there's the like button. Then there's another one. Then there's the middle one. That middle one, click on it. Then you make deposits. It's yellow in color. So if you see it, you let me know. Ara, okay. So I'm pronouncing your name very well. Good. Hope you are doing well now. I'm new here. Hello everyone, I'm new here. You're welcome. Please change your name. Change your username to your name. Jason Biggie, Ezekiel. Tell me. Each time I see this your name, tell me Lola. I will. I almost pronounced tell me Otedola. Once I see that name, that's the first name that comes to my mind. But I wish that would be, you will even be greater than that as well. All right. How will I know the next line to trade? So how to know the next line to trade? You want to look for. I talked about in my. Please try and watch my previous session. All right. Because the reason why I always recommend watching the previous session. Right, maybe at the end of this particular session, go and watch the previous session again, because that is when I come to the charts. The afternoon session is when I actually do my analysis, right, and mark out levels. Then before we now come down to the 15-minute time frame and start looking for a trade. So, and I cannot come to the second session by 5:30 p.m. and start analyzing the market all over again. So that's why it's important. If you can join from 3 p.m., better. But if you cannot join, if you want to learn how I actually get my direction for the day, please watch my 4 sessions of every single day. Very important. That's where I remove all the drawings on my charts, then I start afresh. All right. I believe those of you who joined the previous session actually saw how I did it. So that's what you should do. Once you are done with this session, go and watch that other session. All right. So yesterday I said something about BTC. I told you guys that BTC was going to, if you can, where should I recommend that they buy BTC? All right. I told them that this level over here, because we had a fair value gap here, that if I were to buy BTC yesterday, that was during our evening session yesterday, I said that price was going to retrace this level, then give a setup on the 15-minute time for that. They should target this particular point, which is this high yesterday. So if you remember this, let me know. The gold button, tell me Dio, is right there. Let me show you. Before I continue. Tell me Dio, just hold on. Let me show you. No, don't. Just hold on, guys. Let me show you where you can do that. All right. Even if it's $5, right? You are not paying anybody $5. You are paying anybody $3. It's you are depositing it into your own trading account. Hold on, guys. Stop screen. So, guys, hold on. Let me just show you what the gold icon looks like. So, can you guys see the icon? What the icon looks like now? So this is what it looks like, this particular icon over here. Tell me that if you can see it, this particular icon, let me know. The two tell me wants to deposit. What a coincidence. Tell me Lola, and tell me Dio. Both of you want to deposit. So look at that place you chat in your chat box, right? You see this particular icon here, then click on it. Once you click on it, you make deposits. Gabriel Ayomide, how are you doing? Good evening. Guys, change your name, change the username to your default name. Guys, don't worry, I still have my eyes on gold. If you have any opportunity, I will let you guys know. So if you've seen, I don't know if you can do $2, but just try it. I don't know if it will go, but if it goes, then fine. But I don't know. I'm talking to Ezekiel now, so I don't know if it will go, but just try it. It's not like if it does not go to the beat, just try. It's still your money. You can do $5. Tomorrow you decide to withdraw. It's nothing. It's still your money. You're not giving it to me. Nobody is taking any commission, any charges or anything. Gabriel, yes, you can do $6. You can do $6. Any amount you are comfortable with, you can do. But why I recommend anything above 5 or thereabout is because you are trading with it. It's not just getting access to the signal. You are trading with the money, so it's still your money. If you deposit $10, for example, and you end up making extra $5 on top, you can take back your $10 capital, then continue with your $5 profits. In fact, as anybody who deposited, let's say deposited like let's say $20 for example now. Let's say for example deposit like $20 for example now in let's say on Monday, one of my session, and you are risking $5 per trade. At least you should have been able to make like $25 this week, and it's still your money. It's still your money. It's not my money. Bravo, Adam. Just make deposits. You're welcome. You're welcome to the VIP. Come to the VIP. So for those who don't know, my name is Amos. I'm your coach, and I normally host live sessions. Imo Equere, to join VIP, just make deposits. $5, $10, $20. David Kems, yeah, you can deposit now. He's a coach who want to deposit now. Yeah, you can deposit now. Guys. I already showed you the icon to use. So this is the icon. You click on it, then you make deposits. So I believe I'm pronouncing that name well. Imo Equere. Are you from Delta State? So if you click on this particular icon over here, you make deposits, $5, $10, whatever you have. Just make sure it's something you are comfortable enough to trade with. Right? It's your money. You are not paying me. Abdul Yusuf, boss, please, if there's any available trade, not necessarily on gold, but please highlight us with the signal because gold don't have. You're looking for what to trade on weekends. That should be crypto. Yes, I just showed you something on BTC now. Now, let's understand something. Let's understand something, guys. The reason I'm not giving you random trades is that I document my trades so that I can give reports on how profitable my trades are. So that's why I'm not just giving you random trades. That's why, for example, BTC, as I'm not trading BTC that much, I can only tell you, okay, if BTC comes to this level, please, Abdul, I want you to listen very well. So if BTC comes to this level, do this. All right, if it comes to this level, do that. So, but if you're in the VIP, later on, if possible, I see very good trade on BTC, I can share it. That's why it's important to get to the VIP because there are things I might not be able to do here because of time that I can do in the VIP group. So, Abdul, since you're already in the VIP, no issues. And there's no need to rush as well. Even if you don't get anything this weekend, Monday is always there. Your money is still in your account. It's not reducing. Value is not reducing. All right. Number one thing, like I always say in trading is 80% patience. There's always going to 100 years from now, we are still going to see gold to trade. 100 years from now, gold will still be trading. So I've been trading for 4 years plus now. I've been lecturing students for 3 years plus now, and I can tell you that some of the money people lose in their first year of trading was just unnecessary losses. Some of those losses would have been prevented if only they were patient with the market. That's why I preach two things basically: patience and risk management. Every other thing is just 20% of the whole game. All right. So I hope you understand, Abdul. Why I don't share signal every time. If I want to earn commissions a lot from you guys, I'll just be sharing signal every time. I can come on the chat and we'll take 5 trades in a day. Whether you lose or win is none of my business because at the end of the day, I might get commission. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here to build trust, build system, show you how to actually trade professionally. So whether you're a beginner or you're already trading, you understand why you're actually losing money and how to start improving yourself. All right, that's why I'm here. Making trading simple, guys. So Abdul, I hope I've been able to clear that. Okay, we have one more deposit, 2 more deposits. 2 more guys just deposit. David, you're welcome to VIP. Temi Dayo, good. You're welcome. I'm waiting for another Temi Lola. Say you want to buy. If you want to buy, no problem. But I'm not telling you. I'm not giving any signal. I didn't give any signal right now. Okay, Imo, Aquaibom. Okay, because the name sounded yeah. But I love the name though. I love the name. Chelsea, that is good. Okay, cool. Ara, okay, sir. Abdul, okay. I think I've read that. Adam, I've made deposit. Yes, I just saw your deposit now. So for those who just made deposit right now, right, what you are going to get? Yes, you've been added to the VIP group already on the app. So once we are done with this session, I'm going to send you a link to the Telegram channel, right? Because that's where I'm going to be posting most of the things. Then the group is just for discussion. Maybe you have like question or whatever, maybe question pertaining to the channel, so that you can have somewhere to actually reach out to me to ask me questions about the signals I share in the Telegram channel. So there are 2 places you are going to be added to. You have been added to 1. The first one is the VIP group, which is on the app. You can check that now. Then the other one is the one I'm going to send you the link later, which is the Telegram channel. So I believe I've been able to clear that. Temi Dayo, Adams, and David. All right, you guys just made deposit now. I believe you understand. If you understand, please let me know in the comment section. So guys, for those who are just joining for the first time, please, I have 2 sessions. You can deposit any amount, $20, $30, $40, any amount you can deposit. Someone just, Ezekiel, oh, you're welcome. You just deposited. That's good. You're welcome, guys. So I have 2 sessions. I normally do live stream right here. First session is 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Nigerian time, as you can see. Okay, let me just share my screen. Sorry guys. Trying to share my screen now. Trying to change. Sorry, y'all, give me a second. Let me share my charts with you guys. I believe everybody now know where to click to make deposits. If you still don't know, keep dropping some charts, guys. I read through all your charts. I don't skip anybody's charts. Even though I don't have a co-host now, I still try my best to make sure that I attend to every single person. Because this live stream is not my live stream. It is our live stream. We're all here to learn together and make money together. This is actually the first week, the first complete. I started streaming here on Friday last week. So this is actually my 1 week. And we've not lost any trade so far. Like I said in the afternoon, that doesn't mean that we're not going to lose trade eventually, but you just have to win more, lose less. That's the name of the game. So these are 2 sessions I normally have. First session, 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Second session, 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. So let me go through your charts, guys, and see what's up. You've made deposits, yeah? Like I've seen your deposits. Ezekiel, you are welcome to the team. David, okay, cool. Okay, so you guys understand. Cool. This one said, I just joined now. Please change your default username to your actual name, so I'll be able to recognize you on the charts. Can I send 1K? You 1K, you can't. The minimum I think is 3 USD. That should be 2713. That should be around, let me just say 4,000, 5,000 thereabouts. That's the minimum I think you can do. I didn't set the rules. That's how it is with the app. I mean, look at it. Most brokers out there, the minimum deposit is $10, guys. I've traded a lot of brokers. Most brokers out there, you guys know, you guys have been trading for some time, know that this is true. It's the reality. Most brokers out there, you cannot even deposit $3. The minimum you can deposit is $10. That's the standard. But BTCDana is making it possible so that even if you are just getting to know about trading for the very first time, you can still, put $3 or $5 and trade. And the reason why they bring in professionals like us on the platform is that so that you don't just come and start gambling with your money, right? You follow your favorite streamer. If I'm your favorite streamer, you can follow me, then get to learn how I trade day by day. It's not the 1 day thing. I didn't learn trading just 1 day. So there are years of experience, years of documenting journey, years of data collection, which is something I'm going to talk more on this live stream. Ezekiel, oh yes, I've seen you've been added to the VIP group. You received the Telegram channel link once we are done with this session. All right, so you should expect it right after the session. I'll send the link. Like, how much can I deposit? Emo, you can deposit any amount from 3 US. Well, why I suggest doing it, let me just be honest with you. Just do 10K up above. The reason is this: when you are taking a trade, you are going to set your stop loss, your risk at a particular level, and you don't want the market to take your money and still come back and make profits from every other person that have larger amount. So if you have, like, let's say $5, $10, just deposit it. It is still your money. You can wake up tomorrow and say, I don't want to trade again, and withdraw your money. Nobody is going to tie something on your neck and say, no, you must trade. No. All right. So you're depositing it in this live session just for you to gain access to my VIP treatments. It's that simple. Right? So you can do any amount from, in Naira now, you can do anything from 5K. I think 5K or 4K, 5K and above. Adam said 13,800. Yeah, I think that should be $10. Yeah, you can do that. You can go with that. Henrik said I deposited $4. You have to do it on the. You have to use the gold bag icon. How do I even put this up so that people don't? Just hold on, guys. You don't understand anything here. When you get to somewhere that you don't understand anything here, you ask questions. In African proverb, there's an African adage that says that a traveler that asks questions does not get lost. So if you ask questions, you won't get lost. So instead of using the chat box to say you don't understand anything here, use the chat box and ask, what don't you understand? Then there are a lot of traders out here who have been here for some time. They will answer you. I also answer you. It is that simple. So guys, I'm still taking a look at gold. If we don't get anything today, then so this is how to deposit, guys. I think I'm just going to share that. There's no trade for now. So there's no trade for now, guys. So let me just share the other screen. So those that want to deposit will know how to deposit. All right. So if you want to deposit, guys, look at your chat box. This is your chat box over here. Look at this icon over here. You click on it. That's where you deposit. You don't have to set the TP or SL. Okay. So for those in the VIP, the thing is, I won't be able to access my app from the laptop here. So what will happen is that those of you in the VIP, right, I will send you during the weekends. I will try and send you a screenshot, all right, so that I will tell you where to put your TP and SL on the app, because I cannot do that from here. I'm using a laptop, so I'm using a system. I'm using other screens here, so I don't have access to my app here. All right. So Frank, I hope you understand. Guys, I don't have trades for you this session, at least not now. So I'm going to suggest, okay, so I'm going to suggest you hold on, guys. All right, so already there's one rule I have. If I take one profitable trade in a day, I stop trading for that day. So this might sound odd to a lot of people, but that is what makes me profitable. I take one good trade, like for example this trade now, I'm done for the day. So I'm not here to tell you trade so that I will earn commission. That's not why I'm here. I'm here to help you guys be better traders. Because one of the reasons why most traders fail is because the how will I put it now? The system in which they got into trading. If you learned trading from somebody that is always taking trades, you tend to behave the same way. It's just like I'm not calling anybody names now, but I'm just saying, for example, if you buy a dog, right, I love giving analogy. I love telling stories, right? So if you okay, Zayan, thanks. Seeing how to deposit. So how can I join? Yeah, once you deposit, the system will add you to my VIP group, right? Once you deposit, the system will add you to my VIP group, so it's automatic. How do I follow? Is it through the Telegram link that you send? Yeah, there are three ways you can actually follow me. Number one, you can follow me on this app, my streaming profile. If you click on it, you can follow me. Then whenever I'm streaming, you get notified, right? Then second one is there's a VIP group that you've been added already to. I'm talking to Ezekiel now. So you've added to that group. And the third one is the one at the Telegram channel. That's where I'm going to be sending most of the signals. So these are the three places that you're going to be following me. So the story I was trying to tell, because I'm trying to describe one of the reasons why beginners lose money, right, is because of who introduced them to trading or how they got introduced to trading, right? So I want you guys to listen very, very well. There's no trade for now. Tell me, Lola. Unless you want to gamble with the markets, you can go ahead. Let me recommend a pair if you want. If you must trade, let me recommend a pair. But I don't have any signal for you right now. So I would recommend waiting till Monday, guys. Let me recommend a pair because of the size of some of your capitals, so that you don't end up blowing your accounts and you're not even started. So that someone will not come tomorrow and say you lost money because of a live session. Nobody actually lost money. So if you must trade, use this pair. So if you must trade, use this pair. So the story I was trying to tell, right, is people lose money because of how they got introduced to trading. Now imagine you go to you went out and you bought let's say you have a dog, right? You have a dog in your house. You have like 3 dogs, all right, that are pets in your house. And at some point you decide to get a cat. Do you know that there's a way the cat is going to bond? Let's say you got the cat when it was very when it was very, very small. Somebody is sharing their order. I think you made small money there. Okay, ETC USD. That's good. So let's say, for example, you went to the market, right, and you got a very small kitten. That's a very small cat, and you now introduce that small cat to those dogs that have grown, and the cat starts, living with the dog, going out with the dog, playing with the dog. You will notice one thing, that eventually, right, because when the cat got introduced to those dogs, it will normally see those dogs as it's elder brothers now, right, or like they're the same species or kind of animal. So you notice that with time, the cat will start behaving like a dog, right? The cat will some of them will start trying to bark, even though it might not be the real dog barking, but they will start behaving like a dog. So it's the same thing with trading. The way you got introduced to trading determines how you actually trade. So if you got introduced to trading through a gambler, right, or through somebody that's that's over trades, you're eventually going to start over trade. It's automatic. It's only when you get to a point, maybe you've lost a lot of money and you get to a point and you be like, why am I losing so much money in this thing? Why other people are making money? That's when you now start searching for knowledge, actual knowledge. Then you now come to people like me or people who trade professionally, and you now understand that, I don't necessarily have to trade every day. I don't necessarily have to, how will I put it now? I don't necessarily have to always be buying and selling the market. I have to wait for certain things in the market. That's when you now knowledge now starts helping you to save money and make money, because making money and saving money, they are two different. Anybody can make money, but not everybody can save or keep money. So what I'm here to do, number one, is to give you the knowledge and the mindset to make money and also to save money. So don't be in a rush to just make money, because you can make money today gambling, tomorrow you lose it, and it doesn't make sense. So I believe I've been able to understand, explain that. Chelsea says, all right, okay. Tell me. So, Zayan, right? Have you made your deposits? What are the necessary? There's no other necessary things. Just make deposits. $5, $10. You'll be get added to the VIP. There's no other things like that. Then you try and follow me on the app. Claim my free materials. That's all. Then whenever I'm live, you can come. Yeah. But if you're in the VIP, even if I'm not on the live, if I'm not streaming, I'm still sending out signal to the Telegram channel. It's Friday already, so that's why everything's a little bit slow. All right. Going through your charts. Success, is it? Okay, not success. Okay, Franca says exactly you're on point. Yeah. So that's basically what I'm trying to explain. That's why when people meet me for coaching, it's a little bit weird. Like they find me weird at first sight, because what I would tell you is totally different from what you get out there, what you are seeing on TikTok, on YouTube, like people turning $5 to 1 million naira, those kind of things. Social media is a mirage, it's a camouflage. Nobody really shows you how it's done. All right, most people just want you to believe that they are making these millions of money. It doesn't really work that way. All right, it takes learning, it takes process. So if you're ready to follow the process, you will make money. If you make money and keep money eventually. But if you want to gamble, you are free to use. You are free to trade every single minute, every single hour. It is still your money. It's not my money. All right. So that's another thing I want to point out. So who introduced you to trading determines how you eventually trade. That's why some people, they spend 5 years trying to figure out trading, but they are doing the wrong thing over and over again. Because there's one thing I always tell people, right? Consistency is not all about not giving up. You can actually be doing the wrong thing consistently, thinking you are doing the right thing. So what you now notice is that 5 years, 6 years down the line, you are no progress, nothing. Why? Because you are doing the wrong thing consistently. So consistency is not the key. The key is following the right path and being consistent the right way. For example, if you want to go to, let's say, if you're in Lagos right now, you want to go to, let's say, Onitsha, right? For example, you want to go to the east. Now, you get into a cab or get into a taxi or an Uber that is going to Benin Republic. No amount of speed, no amount of motivation, no amount of I can't give up that you are going to give yourself on that ride that will get you to the east. You understand? So that's the difference between somebody who is consistently doing the wrong thing and somebody who is following a structure and being patient to learn and earn and save while doing so. That's why I'm here. So if you must trade, because I believe some people still have their own strategies. Not must you trade the way I trade. Some people have their strategy. If you must trade, please use this pair. If you must trade, use this pair, guys. So if you are getting value this evening, guys, let me know. If you're getting value, let me know. So we don't have anything on gold. Let me go back to the chat, guys. Okay, let me just read your comments before I... Bro, my problem is how to mark out support level and resistance perfectly. Okay, I gave... just hold on. I'll attend to that. Henrik say, I beg, add me for your mentor mentor class. That one is actually outside this app, but I'm here to... you can join my VIP in the app. Just make deposit. You're not paying me. Just make deposit and you join the VIP. All right. So Henrik, I believe you understand. Since 2022, I have been begging my friend to teach me, and he keeps giving me excuse that it's not easy and changing the topic whenever I bring it up. Let me be honest with you. Ara said my message is not sending. I'm trying to say something. But I'm reading your message now, Ara. I'm reading your message. Guys, give me a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me go back to the chat. Let's see if we can get any trade. Let's see if we can get any trade, guys. Because I know a lot of people, a lot of people know the year word. They just want trade, but no problem. Let's see if we can get a trade. Let's see if we can get a trade, guys. Share screen. Let's see if we can get a trade, guys. So keep dropping your comments, guys. I'll attend to them. So someone asked how to mark out supports and perfect support and resistance zone, right? So basically you need to do, okay, let me use BTC for example. What I showed you guys on BTC, right? So I told you guys that this is what I'm going to buy BTC. For those who want to buy BTC, oh sorry, like chat is not showing. Okay, please guys, if you can see my chat, because I want to see if we have any opportunity for those who want to trade. If you can see my screen, if you can see my chat, sorry, I see my chat, guys. Let me know. Let's see if we get any trade. All of you posting good, sell good, buy. I know sending a message you. Just make sure you are taking responsibility for those signals, please. The screen is not bold enough. How is that possible now? You said the chart looks tiny. How is that even possible? Guys, if you guys can see my, this is the 4 hour time frame now. It's very clear right here. If you guys can see the screen clearly now, let me know. We have just 25 minutes, guys. Looking better now. Yeah, I had to zoom out because I'm trying to explain something to someone who asked about how to mark support and resistance. So I zoomed out. I believe everybody is seeing it clearly now. The guy asked you good, buy or sell. I don't give signals like that. You have to follow the system I use in trading. I'm not doing guessing work, right? I'm analyzing. So since you guys can see, let me just explain something. Then I'm expecting a setup on good before from now to 7 p.m. If it comes up, then we're taking it. If it does not come up, then that will be all for this week, guys. So for the guy who asked, you want to ask yourself, where was the latest structure? All right. Now we had a structure here, right? We also had a structure here. I'm doing this so that beginners can understand. So have these two bullish structures. Now, at the beginning of those structure, the foundation of those structure is where you mark as your support. So if I'm to mark a support and resistance zone here, I will first of all use this area, right? Is that don't use limit orders if you don't have a strategy that actually support, because some people just use limit orders. They don't know that there are strategies that support limit orders. So wait for price to get to your support or to your foundation, then go down to a smaller time frame. So in this case now, once price gets to my support, now the resistance, just for clarity's sake, is where the market pushed down from. So what you are expecting this pattern is that these zones, this is your support, this is a support, this is a resistance. So the guy that asked that question, I believe that is clear before I proceed. If you are still with us, let me know if that's clear so that I can proceed. Ezekiel, say I lost $17 for, sorry. Ezekiel says, I lost $17 for placing buy on gold without, don't trade without stop loss. Don't trade, never trade without stop loss, never. If there's nothing you are going to learn from me on BTCDana app, never trade without stop loss. The market does not care who you are. The market does not care who your mentor is. The market does not care who your live streamer is. The market does not care. It doesn't care who you are. It will take your money if you are alive. Because what you are basically doing whenever you place a trade, let me explain what you do when you place a trade. When you place a trade, let's say for example you have $100 in your account and you place a buy on gold. The reason you are setting stop loss is that you are telling the market, see, bro to bro, you are talking to the market, see, I'm about to buy you. I know sometimes you are going to disappoint me, but please, if you want to disappoint me, if you want to take my money, only take $10 or only take $5 out of this $100. That's the reason for your stop loss. So if you place your stop loss at $5, if the market does not go your way and it goes against you, it's only taking $5 out of your $100. Now, if you don't use stop loss, what you are telling, but if you go against me, you can take the whole $100. That is what it means when you trade without stop loss. So stop loss, like the name says, you are stopping a loss. It doesn't mean that you are a bad. I take stop loss as well. I dey chop stop loss. So I dey chop stop loss. Though I never chop anyone this week, but I'm just trying to let you guys understand that you must trade with stop loss. It's there for a reason. those that created stop loss, they are not they know what they did. So if you're trading without stop loss, you are really making a very big mistake. And that's why I told you that trading depends on how you got introduced into trading. Like none of my students, even outside this app, that trade without stop loss, I will remove you from my group. You understand? In fact, we are more focused on stop loss. I lay more emphasis on risk management and patience than any other thing in trading. So this is something you have to understand about me and about my strategy. So there must be stop loss. So Ezekiel, sorry for that loss, but I hope you understand. Please, Franca, please you teach us that. Yeah, I said I will show you how to play stop loss. Yes, I already promised you that. So this weekend I'll send the screenshots to the Telegram channel. All right, Franca. Yeah, I know many people don't know how to set it. I understand. That's even why many people lose money, because they don't even know that there's something like stop loss in the first place or to begin with. Good, Ezekiel. So let me just finish this stuff I'm doing. Guys, we only have 19 minutes more before we close for the week. My support. Now, I can't remember who asked this question in the comment section, but please, if you are the one, I want you to let me know if you understand it. So this is support 2. Then this is support 3. Oh, sorry, this is resistance. To spell resistance again. We must resistance. Resistance 1. So this is how you mark it. Now, this is what I tell you guys. I normally tell you guys that don't use limit order. Now, imagine, right? Imagine that after you mark your support zone, and you now place a limit order here. Now, limit order, see price come here, buy. That's what limit order simply means. Now you can see that when price got there, it took you out of the trade, took your money. Because what you are doing here, you are gambling, you are predicting instead of analyzing. So what I recommend you do, which is what I do, is that once you are done marking your resistance and your support, go down to a smaller time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame. Now you can see, this is why I don't trade BTC. If this were to be good, that's why I tell people that first of all, understand what you are trading. Don't just go about trading everything. If not, you lose money. That's why I focus a lot on gold, because but BTC really I don't trade it because of what is about to show you now. So for BTC, I would wait. Is the best. So in this case now you can see that it did not give us that double bottom. So I will not take a trade here. What I will do, trading is 80% waiting. Once you know what you are waiting for, you just wait for it. All right. So the guy that asked the question about support and resistance, I believe I've been able to clear that question. Okay, so God is giving us something here, guys. So what I'm waiting for now, I don't think we're able to get this. So it's almost 7 p.m. Almost 7 p.m. Just hold on, guys. Just remove all the trans. Taking trades. I'm not taking trades. Nope. Sorry. price is actually continuing to downwards, so not taking any trade, guys. I think that will be it for. So I only have one. I only have from now to 7 p.m. with you guys here. Normally, check one hour time frame. No, guys. We're not taking. You guys wait till Monday, right? Wait till Monday. Monday will continue trading. This setup is so. I will not recommend. But if you must take a trade, because I know many people know they hear words, they will still want to trade. If you must take a trade, guys, please make sure please, for those who want to wait for A plus setup, please wait till Monday. Wait till Monday. No need to wait till Monday. I don't have. It's already 7 p.m. There's something I would have waited. I would have loved to see here before I will decide if you should sell or buy up. Almost up. This is 6:47. I'm ending this stream by 7 p.m. Guys, just give me a minute. Let me check. Guys, we're not going to be taking any trade, right? We're not going to be taking any trade. For those of you in the VIP, what I will do for you guys, we're already done with the week. Let's not go and start gambling and losing money, because price is currently in the middle of nowhere, so there's no trade to be taken here. What I can do for those of you in the VIP, maybe this weekend I might send you I will send you a screenshot on how to set stop loss and TP, because You need to understand risk management. You need to understand how to manage risk, right? Like I said, in life, every single thing has risk. You're not going to win every time, but you want to know how to actually determine how much you are willing to risk in a trade. Because if you can't do that, then you're simply placing your account, right, totally at risk. So let's say, for example, you have like $100. Now, it is when you know how to set stop loss. That is when you know that, okay, if I set my stop loss here, I'm risking $5 out of that $100 in this particular trade. Because if you don't place stop loss and you just place the trade, price might just spike and take the entire $100 because there's no stop loss. So that's one thing I think you guys need to also know about. So as someone who's just getting started with trading, you really need to know that. Then can't see you guys chats, so I just hope you guys understand what that means. So for those who are still yet to join the VIP, right? Basically, all you need to do just for you to make deposits, all right? Then you can make deposits maybe before the end of this session. Then you can start trading with our signals from Monday, right? There's no need trying to rush again to trade. The week is already gone, right? The week is already gone, guys. So if you want to deposit, guys, you just check for this icon. Check for this icon in your comment section, guys, and you'll be able to make your deposits. All right. Any amount above $3, you get into the VIP. So for those of you who have already made deposits in this second session, all right, or maybe in the first session and you're yet to be added to the Telegram channel, after this session, I'm going to be sending a link to you guys. All right, and you use that link and join the Telegram channel. Then that's where I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff. Then the VIP group in the app, you can still ask your questions then once I'm online, but it's going to be Monday, right, to Friday. But for the Telegram channel, I promise I'll try and send screenshots explaining how to set your stop loss, all right, and take profits. One of us, which is Franca, asked for that, and I believe it's going to be helpful to every single person, all right? Because like I said, I'm not just trying to help you guys make money, I'm also trying to help you guys keep the money you make. Becoming rich is very easy, but staying wealthy is a different ballgame. So it's the same thing with trading. Being lucky in trading is very easy. You can be lucky and make huge amounts of money, but the question is, how long are you going to be able to keep that profit without giving it back to the market? The only answer is two things: patience and risk management. So that's what I am more focused on, because that's the only way you can make consistent money in the market, right? So if you want to make deposit right now, right, you can just use this particular icon, guys. There's no trade for us anymore today, guys. I mean, we've tried five trades this week, all wins. It's not something you get to see every single week. You get to see easily in this industry, all right? So guys, I think that will be all for this session, guys. So for those of you who have made deposits, I will see you in the group. Then also you'll be updated in the Telegram channel, all right? And I wish everyone, guys, a lovely weekend rest, all right? So Monday, you want to come back fully recharged, fully prepared for the market, all right? So please, when I end this live session, don't go and start gambling away your money. Wait for our session, right, on Monday, which is going to be by 3 p.m. First session. So for those of you who want to know how I actually mark out my levels before I start trading, 3 p.m. is the session you want to join us, all right? Because that's when I start my daily analysis. Then if you missed the one of today, go back to our previous session, which is from 3 p.m. Then watch it afresh. There's a lot you gain from it. That's how you learn. All right, that's how you learn. The knowledge is not just going to be handed over to you. You have to also make efforts and watch some of those videos so that you can learn why you do that. All right. So guys, that will be all for this session, and I will see you guys on Monday. And for those in the VIP, I will be giving you guys updates this weekend. All right. Don't be in a haste to throw away your money in the market. It is still your money, it's still in your account. There's no need to rush for you to throw it away in the market. All right. So that being said, guys, that will be all for this session, guys. Take care, guys.